I would like to see the internet crash globally for at least 1 month so that many of us can take a break from it. Because I never know that I would live to see people who call themselves Rastas on the internet telling people to suck their mother. I didn't know I would live to see that. Paper, I'm not blaming the internet and I'm not blaming social media. But as far as I see, some things when I say are going on the internet is pure madness. And I think it's an addiction. And this social media and this internet thing, it comes with a thing called ego. And I think many people in the internet allowing them egos to take them over. It don't sound good. And it don't look good. I know there are many people in the internet that are doing good things. But you know, I find out the negative energy in the internet is prevailing over the goodness. Because most of the people them, when we see on the internet, that getting a lot of attention are the people who spreading a lot of negative vibes and bad energy. Or Rasta, if you tell people if you go suck their mother. Since when Rasta I tell people if you suck their mother? And a Rasta thing that Rasta not tell people if you suck their mother. That is not a part of the principles of Rasta. I see even some people who are very intelligent and speak very eloquent. Like, for example, I saw a lady, she came in on the social media, the other day. And she was speaking so nice and eloquent and intelligent. And I said, wow. And the next day, I see the lady come out and I tell the whole world to go suck out their mother. I mean, I said, wait. Is this the same lady I saw yesterday? What is going on? Oh, this suck your mother thing just take over a place, so like it's trending. I wanna do it for fun. Like a fun, like when I take this suck your mother thing for joke. And I see the havoc with the cause. 1 month, would I love to say the internet crash for so that all of us on the internet can take a break from it. Some people need to go chill out. You hear me I say? Yeah, man. I pay madness some people I deal with. Judger. Right, sir. Shocking Morris said that.